Comparing Apple Pay on iPhone is a straightforward process that can help you make informed decisions about your mobile payment options. To start, ensure your iPhone is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have the latest version of iOS installed. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone, which is where you can add and manage your credit or debit cards for use with Apple Pay. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner to begin the process of adding a new card. You will be prompted to take a photo of your card or enter the information manually. Once your card is added, you can compare the benefits and features of different cards in the Wallet app. For example, you can compare the rewards programs, interest rates, and fees associated with each card. You can also set a default card for Apple Pay, which will be used for transactions unless you specify otherwise. To compare Apple Pay with other mobile payment options, consider the security features, ease of use, and acceptance of each service. Apple Pay uses tokenization to secure your transactions, which means your actual card number is not stored on your iPhone or shared with merchants. This provides an additional layer of security and protection against fraud. In terms of practical examples, you can use Apple Pay to make purchases in stores, online, or in apps. Simply hold your iPhone near the contactless reader, authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, and complete the transaction. You can also use Apple Pay to send and receive money with friends and family through the Messages app. Best practices for comparing Apple Pay on iPhone include carefully reviewing the terms and conditions of each card, understanding the fees and interest rates, and considering the rewards and benefits offered. You should also ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS and that you have the most up-to-date version of the Wallet app. By following these steps and considering these factors, you can make an informed decision about which cards to use with Apple Pay and how to get the most out of this convenient and secure mobile payment service. Overall, comparing Apple Pay on iPhone is a simple and straightforward process that can help you take control of your finances and make the most of your mobile payment options.